The work environment is said to be a setting which amplifies wider issues that can negatively affect the mental health of workers. This year, advocacy on mental health is focused on prioritizing mental health at workplaces. Sarah Pankro has been finding out more in this report.
The International Labour Organization reports that as at 2023, over 60% of Ghana's population, which is predominantly youthful, were engaged in some form of employment. Although there is a growing recognition that the mental well-being of employees has a positive impact on organizational success, as well as on employees' health and professional fulfillment and quality of life, most work environments does not promote employee mental well-being. So we ask, what do you do as an individual to protect your mental health in your work environment?
Normally, I take time off, take a stroll around the hospital. Normally, I go around and I come back, get some cold drink or some snack.
As I'm working and I get tired, I just get up and then walk.
Sometimes, to make us be over. Then
For health service worker Ankara, delegating workload has been his go-to distressor.
There are instances where some staffs can be doing 1, 2, 3 things all alone, whereas other staffs aren't doing anything. So I try to share responsibilities because everybody on the job is qualified.
For others, their mantra is, don't worry about what you don't have control over.
Stressing myself over things that I have no control over it. Sometimes I leave it to God, then I move on.
If I don't have any control over that, whatever that is happening, I don't have to worry myself.
Specialist psychologist at the Kolebu Teaching Hospital, Dr. Albert Sedohia, encouraged employers without the Employee Assistance Program to watch out for some key indicators of mental distress with an employee.
If you have an EAP, all these things will be put in place for you. But if you don't have it and it gets there where the workers are having issues, you will notice that some of your workers may be taking frequent sick leave, and their productivity, their output will reduce. There will be lack of innovation because most of them are overly stressed, and some of them will open up. When you hear a worker, an employee tells you, I'm tired, don't take it lightly because it means the person is really tired. Of course, some people may take advantage of the sick leave and tell lies, but mostly it's not.
Aside the employer initiatives, he encouraged all workers to prioritize their mental health at all costs.
Most of us don't take care of our own selves. We are supposed to self-care, practice your hobbies, and monitor what you consume, not just physical stuff, but from your environment, social media, from your friends and all that. If your work is too stressful, speak up. Have open communication about it to your employers. Let them know you need help. There is nothing wrong with seeking help.
A safe and healthy working environment are not only a fundamental right, but are also more likely to minimize tension and conflicts at work and improve staff retention, work performance and productivity. Sarah Pankro, TV3 News, Accra.